Forget everything you thought you knew about boring transportation. Today, you're in for a roaring ride through the world of the most incredible trucks imaginable. Meet the true kings of the road, from brutal custom-built beasts to sleek tractor-trailers with futuristic designs. Be amazed, get inspired, and pick your favorite. Reliable Carrier specializes in luxury transport, with cargo insured for up to $5 million. Let's take a look inside the truck cab of one of their top drivers, David Rogers, who delivers high-end vehicles in absolute comfort. Surprisingly, one of David's favorite features is the curtains. When drawn, they transform the cab into what feels like a compact loft. The rear of the cab genuinely resembles a small, spotless apartment, where you even have to remove your shoes before stepping in. It's fully equipped with all the essentials: furniture, appliances including a microwave and TV, a tiny kitchen, and yes, even a shower. Finally, don't forget the impressive trailer capable of carrying up to 7 cars at once. The Thor 24 looks more like a palace on wheels than a truck, yet it whizzes down roads and never fails to turn heads. It sold for a jaw-dropping $13.2 million at an auction in Saudi Arabia. Crazy, right? And that's before even mentioning its monstrous power. This beast delivers a staggering 3,974 horsepower and blazes down highways at over 200 kilometers per hour, requiring 4 parachute brakes just to stop it. After such an adrenaline-pumping ride, you can unwind in the back of the cab, which features a cozy lounge area complete with a 40-inch TV. The X6000 series trucks represent the pinnacle of Shackman's latest developments, offering a driving experience so luxurious it feels like someone added pedals and a steering wheel to a business-class hotel room. One standout feature is the advanced noise reduction system, which makes the cabin 10 decibels quieter, while the impressive air purification tech not only filters but also sterilizes the air, displaying real-time stats for added peace of mind. With a massive 1,000-liter storage compartment, everything you need, and more, fits comfortably inside. The experience is further enhanced by thoughtful details like a small table, reading light, and an orthopedic mattress designed specifically for these trucks. Chris Stockholm isn't just a truck driver. He also runs CST Transport, which expanded to a fleet of 11 vehicles in 2023 with the arrival of this custom build. The DFXG Plus 530 FTS stands out immediately thanks to its custom paint job, with the back of the cab proudly displaying an image of Chris's dog Bellaloo. Inside, the upgrades continue with both seats rotating and luxurious leather trim that pairs beautifully with ambient lighting and a starry ceiling. Naturally, there's a comfortable bed for rest, and to ensure the driver never goes hungry, the truck includes not one but 2 fridges. To keep boredom at bay, it also features a 32-inch smart TV and a Luxury Plus entertainment system. It's a perfect example of what the experts at Bolt Custom Trucks are capable of. The Peterbilt Crew Cab Ultra was built for a client planning to haul a horse trailer. But there's more than enough room for human passengers too. Up to 7 people can ride in the cab, and they're bound to remember the experience for life. Just look at all that leather, complemented by a walnut floor, and enough space to stand up straight. Add in a subwoofer-equipped stereo system, a 20-inch TV with a satellite antenna, and a digital thermostat for perfect cabin conditions, and you've got yourself an exceptionally comfortable ride. The Custom Project 6600LB is a stunning transformation by the team at Krug Expedition, who turned an ordinary Mercedes-Benz Arocs 3353A into a fully fledged motorhome. Thanks to its all-wheel drive, it can tackle the toughest routes while delivering jaw-dropping comfort during rest stops. It features not one but two kitchens. The outdoor kitchen smoothly slides out and includes an induction cooktop, perfect for cooking in the fresh air, while the indoor kitchen even boasts an oven for more elaborate meals. Got messy on the road? No problem. There's a washing machine on board. After a long day behind the wheel, you can unwind with a refreshing shower. And there's also a separate toilet. Additional perks include heating, 2 air conditioners, and an electric staircase, making this truck fully equipped for a truly comfortable adventure. The Scania R580 is a high-performance heavy-duty truck renowned for its power, durability, and advanced engineering. Powered by a 16.4-liter V8 engine that delivers 580 horsepower, it offers exceptional torque and fuel efficiency, making it ideal for long-haul transportation and demanding logistics operations. The R580 is part of Scania's Premium R Series, which emphasizes driver comfort, safety, and cutting-edge technology. With features like adaptive cruise control, advanced braking systems, and a spacious ergonomic cabin, the Scania R580 provides both performance and luxury on the road. Its robust design and reliability have made it a popular choice among fleet operators and professional drivers across the globe. If the Big Boy 1200 were a person, he'd be wearing a bionic suit and running a Fortune 500 company. This impressive giant is the largest motorhome ever built by the Brabus team. Measuring 12 meters in length and weighing 26 tons, it delivers a solid 530 horsepower, making it a true heavyweight on the road. While its top speed is capped at 90 kilometers per hour, that doesn't stop it from reigning as the king of comfort and luxury. Inside, it offers 30 square meters of living space, packed with every imaginable convenience, from a beer fridge and a Sony PlayStation 5 to a 47-inch TV and Starlink internet. The only thing that might outshine all of this is its eye-watering price tag of around $1.4 million. Supertruck 2 is a groundbreaking prototype and a true feat of engineering from Kenworth, redefining the future of modern transport. Developed with support from the U.S. Department of Energy, the project aims to create more cost-effective and efficient trucks. And so far, it's delivering. Supertruck 2 is 48% more aerodynamic than standard models and is expected to consume just 18.4 liters per 100 kilometers. Powered by a hybrid diesel-electric engine, it features a futuristic cab with the driver's seat positioned in the center and traditional rearview mirrors replaced by cameras feeding live images to built-in monitors. In the back, a cozy rest area includes a specially designed Murphy bed and a large fold-down countertop, making every journey not only efficient but genuinely enjoyable. The Western Star 57X impressively combines up to 610 horsepower, an aerodynamic design, and the comfort of a luxury yacht, all aimed at private buyers and small businesses, making it surprisingly affordable. It delivers a notable 5.8% to 8% improvement in fuel economy over the previous model and features a cleverly designed interior. Buyers enjoy leather seats, an enhanced heating and cooling system that operates for up to 10 hours without starting the engine, and multiple cabin configurations. The largest option offers ample space for shared meals, while entertainment is taken care of with a 26-inch TV and restful sleep is insured with a built-in Murphy bed.